How to fix CapCut No Internet connection, connect to the internet and try again. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have this problem right here with CapCut. So in this video I will show you how to fix it. First of all, we will go out from CapCut like this. Then we have to go to settings, our phone settings. Then scroll down and go to apps. Now from here you can either scroll down until you find CapCut, or you can just click on the search icon from the bottom, from the top right screen, and search for CapCut. Click on the app, then scroll down and go to storage. Now from here you have to clear the data and the cache from the bottom of the screen. After following these steps, you will have to go to CapCut and log out and then log in once again and see if it works. But if it doesn't, you will have to go to your Play Store, search for CapCut, and make sure the app is updated. And another step that I think will help every one of you is going to your app to CapCut, hold down on the app and uninstall it. And after that, you will have to install it once again and see if it works. But if you still have some problems with CapCut and it says no internet connection, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to your questions and help you out as quickly as possible. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.